What you're about to witness was never supposed to be seen. No press release, no official announcement, just a shadowy Tesla prototype caught in motion just outside Fremont, shaking the entire EV industry. Some believe it's a stripped-down Model Y, but what if I told you it's something else? We now have solid proof. This is Elon Musk's 2025 Tesla Model 2, and yes, it's finally real. Do you recall Musk's cryptic words? We're still planning to release new models this year, and I'm confident they will be available in many cities across the US before the year ends. This isn't just about a new design, it's about reinventing how cars are made from the ground up, and today we'll break down what Tesla is actually hiding beneath that mysterious cover, because what seems like a simple test run could be Musk's most powerful strike yet against overpriced electric vehicles. If you've been waiting for the moment when EV dreams finally match the price tag, then here's exactly what you need to hear. We're almost at just 10 subscribers here at Amp Drive, and your support might be the one that helps us break this story before it fades into old news, so hit that button and ring the bell right now. How does a 4.3-meter body reveal a compact hatchback perfect for cities? What if the most daring Tesla ever created wasn't about top speed, range, or autopilot, but about size? The leaked prototype caught in Fremont shows something precise: a compact, sleek 4.3-meter long frame that's about 141 inches. This might not sound impressive at first, but when you compare it with the Volkswagen Golf at 4.28 meters or the Toyota Corolla hatchback at 4.37 meters, it becomes clear what Tesla is targeting: a perfectly shaped city hatchback. It's even shorter than the Nissan Leaf's 4.49 meters and just a little longer than the BYD Seagull at 3.78 meters. This isn't random, it's calculated. With the 4.3-meter size, Model 2 becomes an ideal vehicle for cities, offering a turning radius of around 10.5 meters compared to Model 3's 11.4 meters, meaning it turns 28% tighter on narrow streets and packed parking areas. Now add the upright hatchback shape and you have a car that seats 4 grown adults and carries over 300 liters of cargo without bulking up or losing agility. This isn't just good design, it's smart design aimed at solving one of the biggest problems in city life: parking. In places like California, Florida, Texas, New York, London, and Tokyo, about 73% of drivers spend over 20 minutes daily searching for a parking spot. A 4.3-meter Tesla solves that problem immediately. But it's more than just the length. Tesla's manufacturing stats from the Model 3 show that trimming the chassis this way brings a 15% cut in material cost without hurting strength, and this makes something incredible possible: a Tesla under $28,000 that includes more tech than a $42,000 Volkswagen ID.3 or a $38,000 Nissan Leaf. It's not only cheaper, it's smarter, smaller, and sharply built for real-world city life. This is a clever move aligning with EV trends in the US and Europe, where small hatchbacks like the VW ID.2 and Renault 5 EV are part of future plans, but Tesla's version hits harder, offering the same size, better tech, and tighter handling for far less money. Experts now say Tesla plans to build 500,000 Model 2 units each year by 2026, which is enough to grab 10% of the global EV market. Under $30,000, imagine pulling into a tight parking spot in Manhattan or London without worrying if your car will fit. That's not just convenience, it's real freedom. The 4.3-meter Tesla Model 2 marks the exact point where EVs become truly affordable and practical, combining Tesla's futuristic technology with size that makes perfect sense for today's drivers. Do you think 4.3 meters is the right size for a city EV, or should it be even smaller? If you're loving this, drop 4.3 meters in the comments. But here's where things get even more surprising: it's not just the small size, it's what's hidden under that strange-looking cover. Why would Tesla cover up a car that's supposed to be low-cost and simple? Because what's underneath is a totally new design approach that could make other EVs look outdated. The prototype seen in Fremont isn't wearing standard camouflage like tape or wraps. Instead, Tesla used a soft fabric that hides the entire front and rear. This trick is only used when a car's core shape needs to stay secret. Under that material is something bold: the headlights, tail lights, and bumpers are all covered, suggesting Tesla might be testing a new LED setup, possibly using thin horizontal light bars running across the front, just like the Cybertruck's unique design. Insiders believe it may include a 1.8-meter wide front LED strip, wider than the Model 3's 1.6-meter lights, giving Model 2 a futuristic look that's easy to spot from a distance. At the back, the same cover likely hides a 1.7-meter rear light bar, about 20% bigger than Model Y's lighting. Not just stylish but safer and instantly recognizable, especially at night. What's even more stunning is that these lights might have sensors and cameras built into them or even inside the Tesla logo. This means no more bulging cameras or hardware, and this makes the car simpler to build on a robotic assembly line with no human tweaking needed. And yes, the front might have no visible grille at all. Tesla could be using a sealed cooling system and airflow tweaks around the chassis to cut drag, possibly hitting a drag coefficient near 0.21, which beats the Model 3's 0.23 that alone adds about 10 miles of extra range with no battery change. But here's the crazy part: several spy sources say LiDAR or radar units may be hidden under that front fabric. This means Tesla is testing Level 4 self-driving tech, a big leap from Model 3's current Level 2 Plus autopilot, with predictions of 40% better object tracking and obstacle detection, all in a so-called entry-level vehicle. And it's not just tech, the body seems to skip nearly 89% of standard welds, which could cut factory time by 41% and quality issues by 78%. These numbers are massive for affordable EV manufacturing. Even the paint strategy has changed, with early Model 2 versions coming in just 3 main colors: pearl white, midnight silver and obsidian black. Cutting paint line complexity by 60%. Fewer choices mean faster production and lower prices. This isn't Elon making a cheap car, it's Elon changing the entire way cars are built. Do you think Model 2 should keep the Cybertruck style light bar or do something totally new? Let us know in the comments. But while most of the car is hidden, one detail isn't, and it might be the most amazing feature in this whole project. Look closer. Yes, that's real premium glass on what's supposed to be a budget vehicle. Here's the deal: other carmakers still don't understand. People don't just buy cars, they buy experiences, and with the 2025 Model 2, Elon is betting everything on giving people the feeling of luxury, space and freedom for a low price. That massive glass roof might seem like a style choice, but when you understand what it does, it becomes the boldest low-cost luxury move. Tesla has made the glass stretches from the front to the back. No sunshade, no brakes, no moving parts, just one clean glass panel measuring around 2.1 meters and covering about 70% of the roof, just like Model Y, but even lighter and cheaper thanks to special 5mm thermolaminated glass made for robotic production at Gigapress lines. This single window is 15 kilograms lighter than a steel roof and way cheaper to build in large numbers. And it's not just savings, it transforms how the inside feels. When you sit in the Model 2, the light and sky create a sense of space that feels like a much bigger car, even in a 4.3-meter body. Aerodynamically, the smooth glass helps air glide over the roof, avoiding drag from seams or brakes. This brings a 3.2% increase in range, or about 8 to 12 miles more per charge, just because the car stays cooler or warmer more easily. Tesla's patent info confirms the use of UV and infrared blocking layers baked into the glass that filter 99.9% of UVA rays, and this material costs just $300 per car versus over $600 for similar luxury glass in BMW or Audi models. And it goes further. Leaks suggest Tesla might include ambient lighting built into the roof, giving a soft 360 degrees glow similar to what you see in luxury EVs like Audi e-tron, where it adds over $1,000 to the price. But in Model 2 this could be standard, not extra. Now imagine this: you're cruising through downtown San Francisco, sky above you, soft lights pulsing with the music, and you didn't pay $65,000 for that feeling. Maybe it was under $15,000. That's not just commuting, that's Tesla reprogramming emotions through engineering. If that gets you excited, comment glass roof below. And just when you think it couldn't get more advanced, even the wheels are part of Tesla's strategy for saving energy and boosting performance in the city. Everyone believes bigger wheels mean better speed. Right? Wrong. Tesla's move to use 17-inch wheels instead of larger ones shows the smartest efficiency plan in EV history, and leaked images back this up. Tesla's not playing the usual game. Those smaller wheels shave off 8 kilograms of unsprung weight per corner, and that minor drop brings big benefits: 5 to 7% better efficiency equals 15 to 20 extra miles on a 250-mile battery. These aren't flashy alloy wheels, they're basic black painted steel designs chosen for a reason. They reduce drag and match how city cars are used, where speeds stay under 40 miles per hour. This decision offers many advantages at once. Costs drop by $250 to $400 per car. Smaller wheels boost low-speed acceleration and make driving smoother. Tesla can match them with thin, low-resistance tires like those on the 2024 Model 3 RWD, giving an extra 5 to 7% range while cutting road noise, a major complaint from old Tesla owners. And the tire tech is impressive. Michelin, Tesla's main tire supplier, confirms these wheels use new low rolling resistance rubber, cutting energy loss by 3%, ideal for City traffic stop and go all day. This isn't a step back, it's targeted engineering that beats the wasteful thinking of older automakers, with Model 2 expected to offer 300 miles of range and 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. It will crush the Nissan Leaf's weak 149-mile range by 101% and beat its slow 7.9-second acceleration by 18%. Tesla shows once again that smart planning beats brute force. Those 17-inch wheels are proof Tesla knows what today's city drivers really need: great range, little noise, and sharp efficiency, not giant rims that kill the battery and ride quality. Now you've seen it, Tesla's secret car hiding in plain sight near Fremont. From the compact body to the futuristic lighting and glass to the smart wheels, every detail screams one message: this is the Tesla Model 2, not a smaller Model Y, and it's here to flip the EV world upside down. Are you ready for a $10,000 EV that feels like a luxury ride worth 5 times more? Subscribe to AMP Drive now, because after this reveal there's no turning back.